Amid the sun-scorched grasslands of southern Africa stands a natural architectural marvel that leaves anyone who sees it in awe: the nest of the sociable weaver. Unlike the typical solitary bird nest, theirs is a massive, multi-story apartment complex, hanging from large trees or utility poles across the savanna. Woven from dry grass, twigs, and other plant materials, each communal nest can house over 100 pairs of birds and can endure for decades. Every bird couple has its own private chamber, much like self-contained apartments. Remarkably, the internal design is highly intelligent. The upper layers retain warmth during the cold nights, while the lower sections stay cool during the scorching daytime heat. From afar, a sociable weaver nest looks like an enormous haystack clinging to a tree. But inside, it is a miniature world, a place where every family enjoys a private, safe, and comfortable living space. Not only do sociable weavers benefit, but unexpected guests like sparrows, woodpeckers, and even snakes often seek shelter inside. Their nest stands as a living example of community architecture in the animal kingdom, a place that balances privacy, safety, and ingenious creativity. Ovenbird, the potter of the bird world.